everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to get started in Free Fire for beginners. If you are new to Free Fire or just starting out, this video is made specially for you. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store from your Android or iOS device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then go to the bottom center and tap the search icon. In the search bar, type in Free Fire and search. Once you find the Free Fire application in the search result, tap on it and then make sure to open up the game from Garena International and tap on Install. Make sure to find the game developed or published by Garena and tap on the Install button to download the app on your device. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once it's done with the download and installation, tap on Play to get started with the game. Wait for the game to load and download the necessary data. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this main homepage. From here, you can go ahead and get started by signing in with your Facebook account as a guest or using any of these login options. Go ahead and follow through the sign-in process and you'll be able to get started with your first match. Select any one sign-in method. I'm just going to tap on the sign in with Facebook option over here. Once you're signed in with the chosen method, tap on the middle of the screen to begin and then learn the basic gameplay controls. Start with your first match, select your first character and so on. And that way you'll be able to get started and start playing Free Fire the right way. If this beginner's guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more genuine gaming tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.